In this video, I'll show you how to fix your microphone not working on a Dell laptop. First, open the Start menu, search for Settings, and open it. On the left side, click Privacy and Security, then scroll down and select Microphone. Make sure microphone access is turned on. Also enable Let Apps access your microphone, and check that your specific app has permission to use it. Now close Settings. Go to the taskbar, right-click the volume icon, and click Sound Settings. Scroll down and select More Sound Settings. In the new window, go to the Recording tab. Make sure your microphone is enabled. If you see a green check mark, it's active. If not, right-click it and select Enable. Next, set your microphone as the default device by selecting it and clicking Set Default. Then right-click your microphone, choose Properties, go to the Levels tab, and increase the volume to maximum. Now test your microphone. If it's still not working, right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager to open it. Expand Audio Inputs and Outputs, find your microphone, right-click it, and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers, then click Let Me Pick from a list. Select the default driver and click Next. If the issue continues, right-click the microphone again and select Uninstall Device. Then click Action at the top and choose Scan for Hardware Changes to reinstall the driver. Finally, restart your laptop. That's it. These steps should fix your microphone issue on a Dell laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.